One card, one fridge. Why do customized car fridges have high failure rate? It's all about heat and quality control tricks in the industry. The biggest industry heating danger is cutting standard qualified inspection procedures for customized orders to reduce production costs. Okay, now let me show you our laboratory. All our customer fridge orders pass complete professional quality inspection process to ensure low failure rate and stable performance. Follow us. Next video, I will show you the 3 easiest broken part of custom car fridges.